Hi guys, my name is Dina and welcome to my channel, The Nail Hobbyist. Today I'm going to do a gel overlay. So I'm going to keep my nails short and it's going to be a gel overlay, short, looking professional with a glitter fade. So keep on watching and step by step I will show you how to do office ready nails. Okay, so here I am. I broke a nail. So my nails are thin, very, very thin nail beds. They're kind of square, but yet I've got like an arch here. Okay, so it's not the most beautiful hands or nail beds to work on. So I'll try to do my best today. Except for my prep, which is a dehydrator. Very hard to say for a French person. So I'm just going to dehydrate, I'm just going to prep my entire nail. It's going to remove like maybe dust that I may use this. So if you don't have the nail dehydrator, you can use the acetone. Put primer. This is a very important step. So what you want to do, yes, I'm talking to you, is make sure that you always have something that is going to help your product adhere to it. Today, I chose the kit that I bought from Amazon, from Young Nails. So I'm going to be using all the same products today. No, mostly. So basically, yeah. So I'm mostly going to be using the base coat. Is just gonna basically help you build your canvas with the building gel. So there I am. And I forgot to take out my sheet because Young Nail is very precise on curing. But I'm guessing, and I hope I'm not wrong, base should be what I would say. Oh, let me check. Is this okay? Yes and no. Because I've got this tiny little spot here. See? But okay guys, I'm back and I checked everything out. And this is my concealer pink. I can still see my nail through it, so I'm gonna put it on top here. So I'm gonna put a little bit on it, and then I'm just going to basically use the glitters here to make it look like somewhat of a glitter fade or something like that. So I'm gonna go more at the tip, and I'm gonna dip, and I'm just gonna bring it all up. Some places more than others because I don't want it even at all. So I'm gonna dip just a bit, not too much this time because I want it more. Okay, here I am again, and this is the final. I just want to have something very smooth. Very smooth, very soft, you know? Very soft. So, this is it. That was the last week. This is this week. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this hand and I'm gonna shorten them and try to make probably a tapered square or something like that. For now, so now I'm gonna take the soft spot of the file and I'm just gonna make sure that I keep my shape. If I don't, or if I find that I scratch, like here, if I find that I scratch my gel polish, my top coat, I'll be back with a very thin touch-up coat, I call. So my shape is still there. Okay, maybe just a little bit here. So here it is. Now is my favorite time. My nails are done. They're more professional looking, better for typing. What I'm doing right now, I'm just putting some cuticle oil, the rest of my cuticle oil, and lots of it, because I love cuticle oil. It feels really nice and soft. So there it is. I'm just gonna rub that in, make sure it's nice and soft. This is my thumb. It's another project I had going on at some point. So anyways, I just want to really thank you guys for watching, and please be kind and subscribe, share, like, and all that good stuff. And just gonna put a little bit more sprinkle of oil on my sparkles, and just want to tell you guys to smile, because it's gonna make you and somebody else feel better. So meanwhile, take care, and here are my nails. That's it. That's all. Nice and proud, like, everything's it looks really feminine, if I may say. Nothing sparkles can't help, right? Just taking a little bit more oil, because my hands are very dry, like I have contact dermatitis. I also have eczema. So here they are, guys. You guys are just awesome for watching my videos, and I want to thank you so much, and tell you bye for now. Take care. Look at the close-up, and bye-bye. Toodaloo.